measures 32, 25, 36.
Says 5 feet and 4 inches. She weighs 48 pounds. Her vital statistics 32, 24, and 33.
Next we have candidate number 3. She's 5 feet 4 inches tall and she weighs 62 kilograms. Vital statistics 34 and a half, 26, 35.
Next we have candidate number 4. She stands 5 feet and 4 inches and she weighs 50 kilograms. She measures 33, 25 and a half.
Please welcome candidate number 5. She stands 5 feet 4 inches. She tips the scale at 50 kilograms. She measures 30.
That's welcome candidate number 6. She stands 5 feet and 4 inches tall and she weighs 51 kilograms. Her vital statistics 32 and a half, 24, 33.
Please welcome candidate number 7. She's 5 feet and 4 inches tall. She weighs 52 kilograms. Vital statistics 32, 25, 35.
Move around, baby, round, round, round. Make a fucking show it up. Shake your booty, make it pop, pop, pop. Turn around, keep it coming some more. Break up, keep me back into more. I'm not let's go to
Please welcome candidate number 8. She stands 5 feet and 6 inches tall. She weighs 49 kilograms. And her vital statistics 33, 24, 34.
This time, please welcome candidate number 9. She stands 5 feet and 6 inches. And she tips the scale at 45 kilograms. She measures 32, 24, 33.
Please welcome candidate number 10. She stands 5 feet and 6 inches and she weighs 55 kilograms. She measures 36, 26, 35.
Welcome, candidate number 11. She's 5 feet and 5 inches tall, and she weighs 49 kilograms. Her vital statistics is 32, 25, 33.
Please welcome candidate number 12. She stands 5 feet and 4 inches. She weighs 53 kilograms. And her vital statistics, 33, 24, 33.
Coming from home, because I can't be begging for more. Oh, my God, move your right, baby, take me out. Come to me, cause you like my supper. I'm a freaking on your supper.
This time, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kennedy, number 13. She stands 5 feet and 6 inches and tips the scale at 55 kilograms. She measures 33, 25, 34 and a half.
Please welcome candidate number 14. She stands 5 feet and 6 inches. She weighs 53 kilograms. And she measures 33 and a half, 25 and a half, 34.
Welcome, candidate number 15. She stands 5 feet and 6 inches, and she tips the scale at 53 kilograms. Her vital statistics is 34, 25, 34.
Please welcome candidate number 16. She stands 5 feet and 5 inches. She weighs 62 kilograms. And her vital statistics, 34, 20.
Come to me, cause you like my supper. I'm a freaking on your supper.
You might win. You might win.
This time, let's welcome candidate number 17. She is 5 feet and 6 inches tall and weighs 60 kilograms. She measures 35, 25 and a half, 36.
Please welcome candidate number 18. She stands 5 feet and 6 inches. And she weighs 50 kilograms. She measures 35, 26, 35.
She stands 5 feet and 6 inches and tips the scale at 60 kilograms. She measures 34 and a half, 26 to 36.
Move your body, baby, bam, bam, bam. When I say I'll be at the show. Come on, baby.
She weighs 56 kilograms. She measures 35 and a half, 25 and a half, 35.
Welcome Kennedy, number 21. She's 5 feet and 7 inches tall, and she weighs 56 kilograms. Her vital statistics, 33 and a half, 27 and 35.
Feet and 6 inches. She weighs 55 kilograms. And she measures 33, 24 and a half, 34.
Please welcome Kennedy, number 23. She stands 5 feet and 8 inches and tips the scale at 60 kilograms. She measures 33 and a half, 25 and a half, and 36.
Please welcome candidate number 24. She stands 5 feet and 7 inches. She weighs 55 kilograms. And she measures 32, 24, 35.
Last but not the least, we have candidate number 25. She's 5 feet and 8 inches tall and weighs 60 kilograms. She measures 34 and a half, 25 and a half, 36.
Baby, take it do it one more time. Fill her up with the cup and the soda. Fill her up my camera, Tamara. Fill her up in the back of the move the round, baby, round, round, round. Make a look and show it around. Shake your booty, make it pow, pow, pow. Turn around, keep it coming for more. Break a leg, you'll be back in tomorrow. On my left like a Coca-Cola. Move the round, baby, take me over. Come to me, 'cause you like